Have you ever looked at an old shirt hanging in your closet and thought its best days were behind it? What if that oversized button-up, worn-out t-shirt, dated blouse, or forgotten flannel was actually the beginning of your next favorite summer top? Sometimes the most inspiring wardrobe isn't found at the mall. It's already hiding in your closet, just waiting for a little imagination. Today, we're exploring an incredible collection of creative ideas that transform ordinary shirts into stylish summer tops, proving that a little creativity can completely change the way you look at clothing you already own. Some of these transformations are simple enough for beginners, while others showcase clever sewing techniques and creative design ideas that might inspire your next project. From breezy sleeveless styles and feminine tie front tops to off-the-shoulder looks and beautifully reimagined blouses, these ideas show just how many possibilities can come from a single shirt. One of my favorite things about upcycling is that every finished piece tells a different story. Instead of throwing something away, talented creators are finding ways to give it an entirely new purpose, creating clothing that's unique, personal, and full of character. As you're watching, pay attention to the little design details because sometimes it's a sleeve, a neckline, or an unexpected fabric combination that sparks an idea you can make your own. I discovered these wonderful ideas while browsing Pinterest, and I've linked the Pinterest board in the description below, so you can see even more inspiration and save your favorites for future projects. Be sure to vote for your favorite summer top by leaving its number in the comments below. If one design reaches 100 votes, I may recreate the winning idea in my own style in a future video here on the channel. Now let's take a look at these amazing shirt to summer top transformations and see which one becomes your favorite. One of the things I love most about upcycling is that it encourages us to see possibilities instead of limitations. A shirt that no longer fits your style doesn't have to stay tucked away in a drawer or end up in a donation pile. With a little creativity, it can become something fresh, flattering, and perfect for warm summer days. As you watch these beautiful transformations, notice how small changes can completely reinvent a garment. Sometimes it's as simple as removing sleeves, reshaping a neckline, shortening the length, or adding a few thoughtful details that completely change the overall look. Other designs involve combining fabrics, adding lace, ruffles, or ties, creating tops that look completely different from where they began. What I find especially inspiring is that every creator brings their own personality into the finished piece, proving that there isn't just one right way to upcycle. The same shirt could become several completely different summer tops depending on your personal style and imagination. That's what makes this kind of sewing so enjoyable. Instead of following strict rules, you're free to experiment, solve little design challenges, and create something that feels uniquely yours. Even if you're still learning to sew, don't let that stop you from gathering ideas. Every project begins with inspiration, and today's collection is full of clever techniques, creative details, and beautiful color combinations that can help spark your own ideas for future projects. As you're watching, think about which design elements catch your eye the most. If you're enjoying today's collection and finding inspiration for your own sewing projects, I'd really appreciate it if you'd give this video a thumbs up. And if you enjoy creative sewing, upcycling, and DIY inspiration, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos filled with even more ideas to inspire your next project. As this collection comes to an end, I hope it's reminded you that creativity isn't about having the newest supplies or the most expensive fabrics. Sometimes the most rewarding projects begin with something that's already hanging in your closet, waiting for a fresh perspective. Every shirt you transform becomes more than just another piece of clothing. It becomes something you've imagined, designed, and brought to life with your own hands. That's what makes handmade clothing feel so special. It carries your personality, your creativity, and the satisfaction of knowing you created something that no one else has. Even if your first project isn't exactly the way you pictured it, don't let that discourage you. Every stitch, every adjustment, and every finished project teaches you something new, and each one builds the confidence to try something a little more creative the next time. Before long, you'll find yourself looking at garments in a completely different way, seeing opportunities where you once saw clothing that had reached the end of its life. That's one of the most rewarding parts of sewing and upcycling. There's always another idea waiting to be discovered. If you'd like even more inspiration after today's video, be sure to check out the tutorial videos linked in the description below, where you'll find step-by-step projects that can help you turn your own ideas into reality. I've also put together playlists filled with even more sewing, refashioning, and upcycling inspiration, making it easy to keep the creativity flowing long after this video ends. Whether you're planning your very first makeover or already have a growing collection of handmade pieces, I hope today's ideas encourage you to keep experimenting, keep creating, and most of all, keep enjoying the process. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. There is a video on the screen for you to watch next, and I'll see you there.